The given that or the dependent part of the two-way table can be a little bit of a difficult concept to understand. And sometimes the wording in the question is quite ambiguous and it takes a little bit of unpicking to decide what it's actually asking you. But in this case, the question was asking, given that the person was male, or given that the person picked at random is male, what is the probability that they prefer an SUV? So by saying given that, that is already stipulating that the person is a male. So we can get rid of the female row from our table because we don't know that. It's given that the person is a male. So then we know that there are 60 males that were questioned in our survey. And out of those 60 males, 21 of them preferred an SUV. So the answer is 21 out of 60, and that would be 7 out of 20 if we divided it by 3 to simplify it. So the main difference is that we've narrowed down our sample size to only the males. We want to know out of only the males, what is the probability of picking somebody who prefers an SUV. Therefore, it's not out of the full total that were in our survey. It's only out of the people who were male that were questioned in our survey. So let's have a look at another question. So if we say, given that a person picked at random preferred sports cars, what is the probability that they are female? Well, again, you're narrowing down your sample size because you're saying, given that the person prefers sports cars, so immediately you can get rid of the SUV column because we only want the people who were interested in sports cars. And we want to know the probability of the people who were female who preferred the sports car. So the people who were female are 45 out of the 84. So our probability will be 45 out of 84 because it's given that they prefer sports cars. So it's only out of this amount here. And out of those, it's the ones who are female. So it's this bit here. So it's really careful to read the wording. Is it out of the whole sample? So given that a person was picked at random, what is the probability they are male or prefer a sports car? The wording is subtly different. It's given that a person was picked at random, not that the person picked at random was male. There's a very subtle difference in how it is worded. One of them is out of the whole sample size, the other one is only out of the male category.